What are you playing? What's that? What is that? You're holding? A what? A snowboard. It's like a boogie board? You have no school today, huh? Because it's snowing.
Really hard.
Yeah? Come on. Let's see how you do it. One more time. Not too close to the street, okay? Like 4 inches today. Good. How about over there? Right there. Or bring your boogie board, snowboard. Come on. Right there, going down. Unless you want to go the backyard, all the way up the hill. Ready? You stay right here. Come on. Whoa. Heavy? Closer over here. You have to drag it. Ready? Look at Daddy. Are you ready? Look at me. Look at me. I can see your face. Ready? I'm gonna push it. What happened?
I just
No, over here.
Let's make a snow angel.
Alright, over here. I'll pick it up. Come on, right here. Then we'll try it up there.
Can you hold it?
Sure. You ready? Alright. I'm letting you go. 1, 2, 3.